Welcome to the IV pole assembly guide. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the assembly process, ensuring your IV pole is ready for safe and effective use. Please read the assembly manual thoroughly before beginning.
The IV pole consists of two box first box molded 5-pronged base and second box vertical tube.
First, carefully unpack the box and remove all components. Lay the components on a clean surface to avoid any damage. Ensure you have the following parts: 1 5-pronged base, one set of casters, inner and outer stainless steel vertical tubes with a bolt and washer assembly. Step 1. Unscrew the bolt and washer from the bottom of the vertical tube. Step 2. Begin by fixing the casters to the 5-pronged base. Simply press each caster into place until it clicks securely. Step 3. Insert the vertical tube into the hole at the center of the base. Press the tube into the hole and tighten the bolt and washer assembly from underneath. Step 4. Loosen the rotating knob by turning it counterclockwise. Adjust the height of the inner tube to your desired level, then tighten the knob securely. Your IV pole is now ready for use. Once assembled, ensure that all components are firmly secured. Test the height adjustment knob and casters to confirm everything is functioning properly. Thank you for watching this IV pole assembly guide. If you have any questions or require additional support, please reach out to us using the contact details provided. Thank you for choosing our product.